Man, why won't it let me like this video? Create an account. I thought I got the app. Man, I thought I had an account. This is so frustrating. Hey everybody, my name's Steve and welcome to Men's Mastermind Group. Today I'm going to show you how you can start a YouTube channel. All right, let's get into this. Let's start a YouTube account. All right, so first thing you want to do when you're on YouTube, you're going to want to sign in. Now, obviously you don't have an account, so we're going to those options aren't going to be there, and it's going to look like this: sign in or create an account. You're going to want to create an account. It's going to ask you who you're doing it for, a business, yourself, or a child. So once you're there, you're going to want to put in your credentials. Oh, my bad. Create a new Gmail address instead. Let's see if that's available. Steverton Mathers. Pick a password that you'll remember. I'm going to delete this account anyways. Verify with a phone number. Now, I would highly suggest putting in your phone number. That way, if you get locked out of your account, somebody's trying to hack your account, anything happens, and you have your cell phone, and you can reset passwords and verify identity. So definitely recommend that. Also, I recommend putting in like I said, I'm just going to delete this anyways. So if I don't have to, I'm going to, it says option. Oh, it's going to ask you to, put in your date of birth, all that. Right now, I'm going to skip all that stuff. You can figure out what you want to do. Don't misuse their services or their policies. Break their policies. So once you get in, bam, you've got a YouTube. Now, right here is like your account center has, all your create a channel. And that's how you would create the channel right there. Upload a picture. I'm just going to put any old picture. Looks like a good tree there. And I am creating my channel. All right. And from there, you can customize your channel. You can manage videos in order to create a channel or go live. There's a button that set, right there shows you a little movie camera. You can upload a video or go live. You have apps within YouTube. Creator Academy, highly recommend Creator Academy. Shows you all the basics and what you're going to want to learn in order to grow your channel. Notification area for any kind of comments, likes, or subscriptions. Then you have your channel with your YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is how you edit your videos, your content, your thumbnail, all your keywords, and all of that. So here it is. That is it. So there you have it. Pretty simple process of how to make a YouTube channel. And I hope you got some value from this. If you appreciate the content, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know, are you even using a PC anymore, or is this just kind of obsolete? I'll make another video for the cell phone, or I'll just link the graphics in the video. That way I can show the contrast between the two different applications. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Y'all take care. Until next time.